Welcome to Libby. Libby is an online source available from your local library for patrons to check out audiobooks, ebooks, movies, and more while sitting on the couch at home. In Libby, you'll have your loans for the items you're currently loaning. With Libby, you can loan 20 items a month. You have your holds for when titles are not available, and your tags. Liked, disliked, going to read soon. You can go into your library and browse the digital shelf. Once you find a book that you're ready to read or movie that you're ready to watch, click on it, read the brief description, or read the sample, or if you know you already want it, click borrow. Books are available for 21 days. Movies and audiobooks range. Once you're ready, click borrow. And if you want, you can open the book, keep browsing, or go to shelf. When you're ready to read, open your book in either your Kindle or the app you're using. And the books will automatically return themselves at the end of 21 days or the period you are given to hold that book or movie or DVD. Again, the DVDs and movies and CDs range in the amount of time that you can keep them, so just pay close attention to that when you're booking. Libby is brought to you by Overdrive, so if you're using the Overdrive app, Libby is just the updated version of the Overdrive app, so you're in the right place. You can search for books. And if you have any questions, go into your settings account by clicking on your emoji. You can see the library cards you have. You can add any library card from any library that you're with, whether it's county or local. You can set up your Libby, learn Libby, help and support. You can speed up and slow down your audiobooks. Jump back in your audiobook with just a swipe. So once you get started, please learn Libby, and it'll take you into more detail of how to use Libby.